Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm really like angry. Yes, I'm angry to make this video because these are things that are happening around us in our environment. And today's topic, we'll be talking about fake friends. Yeah, you are seeing me holding this because I want to use it to open doors and this cutting room to block that ear against fake friends. You'll be telling them, this person that you are putting on your head, hockey like gala, he doesn't want your progress. He will say, la la, he's my friend. So let's dash right into the video. Coco Bella, yes. So we'll be talking about fake friends. What are fake friends? The simple definition about fake friends is friends that are not your friends, pretending to be your friends. They are your friends, but they are not your friends. Before you, they are doing eye service. My friend, this, that, don't worry, I will die for you. I carry your matter for my head. But at your back, they will be the first to backmat you. They will be the first to backstab you at any given opportunity that they get. So those are fake friends. That's what we'll be talking about today. How to spot fake friends. How to know the signs about fake friends. So when you see this sign, either one or two, in one of your friends that are around you, beside you, when you see one of these signs or two, pack your slippers, put it on your head and run. So let's dash right into the video. So fake friends. How to spot fake friends? Number one, fake friends, they are only there. Sorry, I'm looking down. I just want to make sure I go straight to the point. I don't want to be blabbing around. So let's go there. Fake friends, they are friends that they're only there when they need something. Have you ever noticed, among your set of friends that you have, there is one particular one inside that it's only when they need something that they remember, hello, hey, my friend, they will remember to call you. Now, wow, so complain. It's only when they need something that you hear from them that they will remember that you are their friend. That is one of the attributes of fake friends. One of the signs. So be warned. Don't say I didn't tell you. Number two, they put you down at any given opportunity. How to spot fake friends? One, open your ear if you are not hearing me. One, they only call you when they need something. They only reach out to you when they need something, when they are in need. That's when they remember they have you as friends. They can never call you on a normal given day and say, let me hear from this my friend, if she's okay, if things are going well. At least to discuss, to share ideas. Lie. They only call you when they need something. Help your girl or help your guy. Girls, everything, every area you're rough. Sister says, you didn't have to call me. You don't know how I'm faring. You don't know what's going on around me. You just come. The only time that you call me is only when things are rough for you. That is number one attribute. Number one sign of fake friends. Be one. Number two, fake friends. Number two sign of fake friend is that they always put you down at any given opportunity. Behind your back. Before you, hey, my friend, from to the moon and back to the sky. But behind him, don't mind that. That one. They'll be the first person. Even you will surprise. Have you not met some people like that? Maybe in the gathering, people are just talking. The person that's more close to that person, he or she will be the one to just say, that one, don't mind that person, Jare. All that package, if I tell you things, because he's the friend. Those are signs of fake friends. So if you see that kind of a person, don't even go close to that person, because even if you draw that person closer, the person will still do the same thing to you. Be warned though, don't say, I didn't tell you. Coco is telling you now. Be warned when you see signs like that. Pack your slippers. Oh yeah, your head. Begin. Find your way. Number three. They are extremely manipulative. They are extremely manipulative. Like, they are like this. You can never, they are never straightforward. Mago, like serpent. You can never know their way. Like, they can they might see that you want to do something that will benefit you in future. They will just manipulate you. It's not until somebody starts start using charm or whatever on you that they come. Some people, they have this devilish, I don't know, devilish way. Those are fake friends from the pit of hell. They will say you want to do something that will benefit you in future. They will just manipulate you, talk you out of that thing. So be warned. Don't say I didn't tell you. If you see something like that maybe there's something you want to do, and this your friend, this particular one, she's the one. I didn't say there are some friends that used to give you good advice, so the thing might be profitable to you. But if there's this one that whenever the thing that you tell this person, the person will just start to talk you out of it. And when you do not do it, that person, you find that person doing that thing and is making it. You understand? That same person that said, no try yamo, that same person go back and go and do it. Nah, run away. Pack your slipper. Open your ear, run away. Number 3, they will never support or patronize you. Like, hey, all those down one. It's people outside that will be patronizing you. The one that you call your friend, because he or she does not believe in you. Even if you are selling long life and prosperity, they will not patronize you. Those are signs of fake friends because of jealousy. So be warned. Don't say I didn't warn you. Any friend that patronizes you, that tries to support you, anything you do, it's not all about money, but at least give you idea. Okay, let's try to do it this way. What if you add this one to it? I think it will be, you see good results coming from that. That's not who you call your friend. But those that, they will not, even if you're saying it, they'll just keep quiet, they'll just find the way, they'll just discourage you. Nah, run away. Those are friends that even if you are hawking long life and prosperity, outside people will be supporting you, but they will never support you. Signs of fake friends. Warning sign. Be warned, Another point is that they like knowing things about you without you knowing anything. Exactly. They want to know A to Z about you, but you will never know anything about them. You can never say this is a lie. They will use talkie to find your mouth so that you open mouth. You now tap that is rushing, telephone without no battery. Oh yeah, man, she's my friend. You open your mouth. You state all your problem, everything. Their own, you will not even know A to Z. They will still be the same person that will carry down your matter outside. Oh yeah, start broadcasting it. Fake friends. They want to know A to Z. They want to know everything about you. But even if you ask them, they will look for the way to manipulate you out of that so that you will not even remember. They'll say, don't forget, nothing is going on. Things are happening, But they don't want you to know about it, but they want to know A to Z about you. Those are signs of fake friends. Be warned. Don't say I didn't warn you. Another sign. They disappear when you need them. Have you watched some set of people that, this leads us to the number 1 point of spotting fake friends. They only call you when they need you. But when you need them, they are nowhere to be found. Either the number is not reachable, or they are busy, or this one, or that one. Nah. That's a red flag, Don't say I didn't warn you. If you have any friend like that is close to you, that you take as your own, you are hugging that your friend's matter on your head like gal. Then when you get to the time that you want to, at least you need help from that your friend. It don't usually need to be money or whatever, but at least advice, idea. Yeah, your friend is nowhere to be found. Before you just say, let me call you back. Check that your relationship very well with that person, You are the one that is friending yourself. That person is not friending you. If you like put it as a friend zone, no. You are the one friending yourself. That person is just there to just speak information about you, and go out. You are not that person's friend. You are just friend. You are just the one just being friending yourself. So be warned. Don't say Coco Bella did not warn you. In conclusion, I'll be telling you ways that you can cut these fake friends off. So when you see people, friends that they are having these points that I just mentioned, even not all, at least 2 is enough to give you direct flag. Those that are not there when you need them, those that only remember you when they need something, those that like to take information from you and you don't even know anything about them. Those that are big, that they are always the first to badmouth you at your back or backstab you in any given opportunity. If you see all these kind of friends, all these kind of points among your friends or this thing, just start knowing that's a red flag, eh? So you can start saying, if you don't have leg, borrow leg and run far from that person. So if you see people like that in your life, let me tell you a very simple way to cut them off. Number one, state the problem. Call the person, sit down one-on-one. Say, there's something I'm noticing. Pour out your mind. Tell this person, I don't like the way you are doing this to me. Oh. If it's to me, if it was to be me, that something like that something happened to you that day, this is the way I would have reacted. But you just did as if you don't even know me. No, I didn't expect something like. Try to just clear your heart. Don't keep it in your mind. Clear your heart to that person. Let that person know that you know what he or she is doing. Then number two, be honest with that person. The honest truth. How you feel, just pour it out. If you want to cry, just cry. I don't expect this. You that day. Say your mind to that person. No, you have cleared your mind. Then the last point, before you apply these last points of cutting them off, you watch first. When you see that after saying all these things, this person, he refused to change. He's still doing the same thing. He doesn't want to change. Like, he's still continuing that same attitude towards you. He doesn't care about you. Then you apply this, my last point. You end the contacts. Any contact you have with them, end it without a word. If left for me, I will just delete you. Block you, delete. Case closed. Because I have poured my mind to you, telling you these are things that you're doing I don't like. This is not what I expected from you as somebody I called my friend, as my own. I'm being honest with you. Still, you still continue. That's to say, you just gave me the red flag that you are just wasting your time. I'm that fake friend that you are praying against. So I'll cut you off. Cut them off. So that brings us to the end of today's video. Hope you enjoy it. At least you can able to testify that at least you gain one or two things from that video, from those points I listed out. If you don't, go back to the video, rewatch it from the beginning. Take your book and barrel, take your book and barrel and jot down. Start applying those things. So if when you see those signs, you know that's fake friends, so you know when to cut them off. So that brings us to the end of today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I remain your humble, loyal, truthful, and only Coco Bella. So please, as for those that subscribe to my YouTube channel, I want to say a very big thank you to you guys. Thank you for your support. You guys are the best. I'm grateful. And those that have not supported me by subscribing, please don't forget to hit the subscription button. That is free. Don't forget to hit the like button also and the notification button. So in case whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. So I'll be happy to see you guys again in my next video.